conflict in US peace plan. Volodymyr Zelensky, president of Ukraine, has called for full mobilization against renewed Russian attacks, which have included drone strikes and large-scale missile, glide bomb campaigns. The Guardian. At the same time, the US is spearheading emergency talks in Geneva involving Ukraine, Europe and Russia, centered around a proposed 28-point peace plan. The plan reportedly would concede key Ukrainian territories, like Crimea, Luhansk, Donetsk, to Russia and forbid Ukraine from joining NATO, moves that Kyiv strongly opposes. The Guardian. Why it matters. This is a potential turning point in one of Europe's biggest conflicts. If the peace plan advances, it could shift the balance of power and redraft the post-war order in Ukraine. For India, Asia, shifts in European security ripple globally, also affects energy, defense and diplomatic alignments. 2. Cyclone alert for South India and Andaman and Nicobar. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, has flagged that a low-pressure area over the Andaman Sea, Strait of Malacca is likely to intensify into a depression, to be named Cyclone Senyar, over the southeast Bay of Bengal by November 24, and further over the southwest Bay. The Economic Times. Regions expected to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall: Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Authorities are on alert and fishermen advised to stay away from rough seas. The Economic Times. Why it matters. For India, this is significant because such storms disrupt lives, agriculture, transport, and can cause major damage if not monitored. With your location in Haryana, it's less imminent but relevant for national preparedness and any travel, relatives in affected states. 3. India-Afghanistan Spice Trade Cooperation. Alhaj Nuruddin Azizi, Afghanistan's Minister of Industry and Commerce, under the Taliban regime, visited New Delhi and met the Spices Board of India. They discussed expanding cooperation in spice exports and joint investment opportunities. www.ndtv.com. This visit is one of the highest-level interactions between India and Afghanistan since the Taliban takeover of Kabul. www.ndtv.com. Why it